Morning all, it's calm after the storm. It's a little bit soggy here, but I thought I'd come out and show you guys. This is the cordage I started making yesterday. Nettle cordage. So yeah, let's see how well it works. So homemade cordage can tend to stretch. I'm going to use this a little slightly differently. So instead of tying the cord to the other end, I'm holding it in my hand so I can adjust the pressure on that piece of cord. I've always got 3 twists, which helps. Cord is still in pretty good nick, a little bit frayed, but it softens up after use as well. Welcome ancestral fire. The embryonic ancestral fire, beautiful. Again, this was oak on oak bow drill. Wow.